If you frequently wake up with shoulder, neck, or back pain, then you may benefit from using a memory foam pillow. For the best neck support and stability, consider a memory foam pillow. It supports your head and neck and provides comfort and occasionally neck pain relief. It must be noted that all memory foam is viscoelastic polyurethane, but you have numerous types stretching from firmness to height, cooling abilities, and other unique characteristics. Number 1. Elviro's Cervical Memory Foam Contour Pillows. An ideal pillow does not have to be costly to offer the necessary support. Elviro's Cervical Memory Foam Pillow costs $50. It is available in a contoured design to assist in offering adequate support, especially for individuals who sleep on their side and back. The ergonomic design has recesses on the sides for your arms to rest on to minimize shoulder strain. It has an irregular shape that does not fit well in a pillowcase, although it has a washable cover that comes in 6 colors. We have only recently started testing this particular pillow, and we have already got encouraging reactions from users. To be honest, I expected to not like the contoured shape as much, but now I'm quite a fan. It assists in maintaining a good position of my head when I'm asleep. The foam is not as firm as the other styles tested and may not offer enough support for some users. Number 2. Tempur Breeze Pro Plus Cooling Pillow. This memory foam pillow is made from solid memory foam with a layer of cooling gel and has a sink into the bed feel and is designed for coolness. In our tests, the Smart Climate removable cover was easy to wash, did not shrink, and felt cooler to the touch. When tested, our testers awarded high ratings to its support and comfort as well. I appreciate the comfort it provides and body-hugging nature, said one of the testers. A second tester noted, it did not emit any smell and was cool when I slept on my back or on my side. Because of the firm foam, it is not as quick to spring back to its original form like some of the other pillows. However, it will not suit a person who changes his or her position frequently throughout the night. The lower height is ideal for back sleepers, whereas the higher height is recommended for side sleepers or those who are bigger. Number 3. Sleep Number True Temp Contour Pillow. Sleep Number contoured pillows are highly preferred by most of our testers for its effectiveness in supporting the neck, thus ensuring proper positioning. It also has 3 removable foam inserts to help you alter the height and the level of support that you require. The cover is filled with 37.5 technology-infused polyester for the luxurious feel and the material that will trap and release the heat during the night to regulate the temperatures. As much as the cover is machine washable, the contour design makes it a bit challenging to rest the cover back on the pillow after washing, especially when dried. Due to its rectangular design, this pillow is ideal for people who sleep in both the back and side position. Sleep Number also provides free shipping or home delivery and has a 100-night risk-free trial. Number 4. Twia Adjustable Pillow for Back, Side, Stomach. An adjustable pillow can assist you in attaining the right spinal positioning because you can regulate the thickness of your pillow, but most of them are untidy with loose filling. The Twia adjustable pillow is different in the sense that it has adjustable dimensions. It has 10 pods, the mini pillows that are stuffed with shredded foam, which you can increase or decrease on the pillow according to your height. The outer pillowcase is of tencel fabric, and the pillow is stuffed with down-like synthetic fibers. One of the testers summarized by saying, "You do not actually feel the pods inside the pillow. It feels like one solid pillow." Other testers also liked the convenience of the pillow in that it was easy to adjust the height of the pillow without making a mess. The foam was rather durable in our tests, while the cover material required a long time to dry after washing. Number 5. Tuft & Needle Premium Memory Foam Pillow. The Tuft & Needle Premium Memory Foam Pillow got one of the highest total scores among the memory foam pillows we tested, and our testers enjoyed using this pillow for sleeping. It was particularly beloved for its just right firmness and a perfect medium between firm and soft. All reported their willingness to keep using it. This pillow is suitable for all sleeping positions, but it particularly impressed our back sleeper subjects. It came with a washable cover, and after washing it, it did not demonstrate any signs of tear or damage. It comes in standard and king dimensions. Height-wise, there is only one choice available. You can also buy the pillows in a set. The set is cheaper than if you were to buy the pillows individually. What is also great is the fact that the brand provides free shipping and a 100-night trial as well.